Hi, my name is Vanessa. I am one of the medical assistant instructors here at Pickens Technical College. Medical assistants work directly with patients, most commonly in the physician's office or urgent care facility. The clinical duties often include taking vitals, drawing blood, and basic diagnostic testing. The administrative responsibilities of a medical assistant will likely include things like telephone triage and scheduling appointments. When you earn a certificate in medical assisting, you will begin working right away. This leads to immediate opportunities that will advance your career as a medical assistant. Pickens offers a 2-semester program in medical assisting that leads to a certificate. Graduates of the program are then eligible to take the national certification exam to become a certified medical assistant. As part of the certificate, you'll learn everything from anatomy and physiology to basic patient interaction skills. Our certificate program also has you participate in clinical education, where you'll get your first opportunity to go work in the field. Many of our graduates receive their first job offers while completing this part of the clinical process, even before taking the national certification exam. If you're interested in the next steps to the healthcare pathway, please give us a call or just come check us out.